Most people work hard for money, but only 1% make money work for them. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the 4 brutal truths about wealth that school never taught you. If you're tired of the rat race, pay attention. This is the blueprint you've been looking for. You stand at a crossroad. Will you choose the growing seed or the shiny heavyweight? Invest in assets. Watch your small seeds grow into giant trees that drop constant gold coins. Avoid liabilities. That shiny object is a heavy trap that will pull you into deep debt. Most people think the secret is simple. They lock their hard-earned cash inside a glass jar. But the sun of inflation is hot. It melts your hidden savings until they slowly disappear. Stop just saving. Put your money to work and jump on the moving gear of investment. We often carry a heavy backpack. It is filled with expensive toys and useless fancy things. This weight makes you crawl. You can see freedom ahead, but you are too heavy to move. Drop the bag. Throw away the junk and feel light enough to finally own your time. Don't trust the paper bridge. A high net worth on paper can be very thin and fragile. When the wind blows, paper bridges tear apart. A big number doesn't always mean real safety. Build your life on a solid rock. Focus on cash flow and enjoy true, lasting financial success.